Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So just a little bit of where I've been, what I've been doing and everything. Yes, I've taken a break. Just a short one. I've been working on the cookbook a lot and I'm just like, oh my goodness. And now I'm at the editing part. I did put in the post the front cover of it. That took a lot of work to do. So I finally got that done. And yes, all those are my recipes. I've had someone helping me with my editing and making sure the recipes look like how a recipe is supposed to look, because my original did not look like that. Just, just kind of like wing it put together. So, that's what mostly I've been doing is really working on that and everything. That was my goal for March. By the end of March, I said at the beginning of the year that I will have my cookbook ready. So it's going to have 24 recipes. I've got pages in there that are, some are empty, some are lined, where you can write recipes in there for you also. And then I have a measuring chart in there too. So, I just took it from stuff that I've done years ago and everything, recipes we have here at the house that we used and that we did. So, and, to put it all together. So it's going to be, this is a small one, but I will be working on a big one later on in the year and everything. And then I'm working on another book. So, but I'll be back Monday night. I will be live on the cooking channel Friday. And then this Saturday, March 28th is my birthday. So I will not be live Saturday night. I'll be celebrating my birthday. We did the brownie thing. It's called Brokies. It's a brownie mix and the pre-made cookies. And you put it together and you bake it and everything. So Anastasia and I will be celebrating my birthday Saturday night. So I will not be live Saturday night, but we'll be back Monday night. And, I'll have all the links for both my books that I've written and everything down. Not in the this description, but it will be Monday night. Actually, the other book I can put in this description. So, but that's what's been going on. That's what I've been up to and everything. Just getting, spring cleaning and everything. I'm working on the book and I'm staying up late at night working up on it and everything. And it's just like, it seems like, with all this technology, it should have been a whole lot easier. It's not. It's not. So, just getting that processed and everything. So, thank y'all for sticking with me and everything. And I look forward to seeing y'all next Monday night. That would be March 30th. Ooh. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. And I'll see you later.